Let's talk about this handheld DEWALT vacuum that I've been using for the last 3 weeks on my job site. And let me tell you this, I wish I bought it sooner because it makes cleanup a lot easier and faster for me to get out of that job even a lot quicker than I needed to be there. So a couple things about this. The grip itself is really ergonomic for your hand. It fits my hand well. On top, you do have a power button. Once you put it on, you'll see that there's a light that illuminates the area you are trying to vacuum. Here you have a release for the hopper. Once that's out, it has a HEPA filter in there, and then you have just the hopper that you could empty that out in the trash. Once together, you do have 6 attachments to use, which is nice depending on what you are trying to vacuum up. And then all it is just a push and go ahead and use it. Now I'm going to demonstrate how powerful this vacuum is. I'm just your standard sawdust, drywall dust, hair, any kind of things that, you know, it would be somewhere that you'd be cleaning and you would need a vacuum that's this size. I could also use the brush if I want to get on top of a baseboard to make sure that's cleared out. It does a great job. Bonus is that it gives you a bag so you can put all the accessories in and not lose any, make sure they stay all together. Really lightweight vacuum. Most of the time I'm only using the small DEWALT battery like this, and that's all you need. You have a clip on the side, so that way you could just clip it onto your pants, walk around, continue to work, and only grab it when you need it. Overall, this is a great product, and if you are looking for a handheld vacuum that is powerful, go out, buy one of these today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.